Hello everyone, this is me Misbah Ghulam Abbas and you are watching Mishi Arts, the world of crafts. Today we are going to talk about a miracle plant, that is aloe vera. So while you will be watching the video how aloe vera gel I am using and I store for my uses for future uses. So you will be getting some knowledge and benefits of aloe vera. So aloe vera plant is a nature's tonic, fountain of youth, lily of the desert, and it is also known the plant of immortality. It improves the skin. It is very useful for oily skin. It is used for the acne, for removing acne scars, and you can use it as a moisturizer. You can also use in different masks and the home remedies you use for your skin, and it improves digestion. If you are taking its intake definitely gives so many benefits to our body, and it is also used as medicine. So how it is used as a medicine for cancer, it is used for curing asthma, reducing cholesterol level, and in various kidney infections. Besides that, if you are taking the juice of aloe vera in your daily routine, it relieves symptoms of acidic reflux. Now for the hair, it promotes hair growth. You can use it in your hair mask, different types of hair mask, and you can use it as a serum before straightening your hairs. It reduces wrinkles and it is very good in relief of constipation. So I hope you found this video useful. Please do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and give thumbs up to this video if you really like the video. Have a great day.